Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today we're gonna be doing one of my go-to looks using some of the products that I've really been enjoying for the past couple of months now. So we're just gonna kind of dive right into this. This is gonna be a very easy look to go with. It's just something that I have been pretty much almost on an everyday been wearing. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start off with the face. Now I've already moisturized and primed, so we're going to be using the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. I am in the color cream beige. And then for concealer, we're going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in medium 220, medium 20, I guess is what it is. Alright, and to set the face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder. This is in the color medium 02. And for bronzer, going to be using my trusted Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Deep. And because with my everyday makeup, I don't go really heavy in, I'm not going to be contouring. So we're going to go ahead and skip over to blush, and I'm using the Pretty Vulgar blush and Make Them Blush Hush Blush. Is this the color? And then for highlighter, I am cheating a little bit because I have not had this for an entire month, but I've used it every single time since I've gotten it. And this is the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Fleitarian. This highlighter, like, a little goes a long way. Look how pretty that is. Alright, now that we are highlighted, what I'm going to do is go ahead, before I start on the eyes, go ahead and do my brows, which on the everyday makeup, I don't go real heavy on those either, so I'm not going to be using my Anastasia pomade. Instead, I'm going to be using the MAC Linger Eyebrow, or eyebrows pencil. This is in the color, I guess it's the color Lingering? I don't know. I just know that it works really good for shading the brows, but not making them too heavy and dark. Just a very good natural looking brow. Alright, I'm going to go over that. I am using the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer. This is in the color medium brown, so this just kind of gives it a good feathery look. Okay, and now for the eyes, the palette that I have been using a ton is the Makeup Revolution Sophie X. This is the collaboration that Sophie Does Nails did with Makeup Revolution. This is like, I think, one of the second palettes, because this is the Ultra eyeshadow, so it's 24 Ultra Professional eyeshadows. This is what it looks like. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to dive into this. I'm going to go ahead and start off with this color here, which is called Iced Coffee. And we're just going to do that all over the lid. And then the next color I'm going into is this one here, which is called Cup of Tea. we're just going to deepen up that crease shade. Then what I'm going to be going into is this shade here, which is called Pumpkin, and I adore this color. It is just the perfect kind of orange. What I'm going to do is take that first shade and go under the eye. And then I'm going to take Very Light, which is this color here, and that's going to go from my inner corner. And then right above the brow bone there. Alright, now I don't use any eyeliner for this look because, like I said, this is kind of like an everyday, just kind of toned down look. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into the mascara, which obviously the only mascara that I like ever use is the Benefit's BADgal Bang, because it is my favorite. And then for my lips, this is like probably my go-to color for just about everything. This is from ColourPop. It's the Super Satin, and this is in the color Mess Around. And this is just a perfect kind of almost gray brown. And I'm going to set the face with the Mario Badescu, I don't know how you say that. But this is the cucumber and, well, aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Alright, so this is going to be the finished look using the products that I have been using throughout the past couple of months. Also, it's kind of just an easy everyday kind of look for you. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so that you will be reminded the next time I upload. Again, have a great day and thanks for watching.